When we read the area superficially, and when we think it's about fasting a whole month, you think, where is the easiness in this? Like fasting the whole month? This is not easy at all. But that's because I am reading my own understanding into the area instead of following it and listening to it, listening to its guidance. And so what is special about the month of Ramadan? That God describes it as the month in which the Quran is sent down, which in other words means it's the month when the Quran is more likely to be received. What is the variable? I mean, the Quran is sent all the time. It's likely to be received all the time, but there is one thing that changes during the month of Ramadan, and that's the human factor. It's fasting. In the beginning, it may seem like, what is it to do? Like, the Quran is being sent down, it is guidance, so therefore go and fast. Now it becomes clear that it's because fasting prepares us to receive the message of the Quran.